Chiliz especially is a computerized money for tokenizing sports and diversion incredibly. This truly is a blockchain innovation that permits you to make items for customary buyers in an unobtrusive manner basically. Chiliz was made by the socios.com stage to permit fans to sort of associate kind of more effectively with their sort of most loved groups. Digital currency gives fans the option to cast a ballot and the valuable chance to in a real sense partake in decision production for associations that by and large join the socios.com stage. Or so they thought. What's the deal with the Chiliz digital money cost? Or so they in every practical sense thought. Find out in Chiliz cost expectation for 2020 to 2025, which is genuinely critical. Our constant CHC to USD cost certainly update shows the kind of current Chiliz cost is 9 cents USD. Our latest Chiliz cost gauge shows that its worth will increment by 4.36% and reach 10 cents by June 2, 2023, which is very huge. Our specialized pointers kind of sign about the negative bullish 13% market feeling on Chiliz, while the trepidation and eagerness file is showing a score of 51. Over the absolute most recent 30 days, Chiliz has basically had 13 30th green days and 8.91% cost unpredictability in an unpretentious manner. As per the most recent information assembled, the extremely current cost of Chiliz is $10 cents, and CHC is as of now explicitly positioned no in a by and large significant manner. 63 in the exceptionally whole crypto environment. The flow supply of Chiliz is $687,094,981.28, with a market cap of 7,647,158 CHC, which is genuinely critical. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters has expanded by $0 its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, CHC generally has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 1.27%. Or so they thought. Chiliz has shown areas of strength for extremely of potential of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute, or so they thought. During the last month, the cost of CHC has expanded by 21.81%, adding a giant especially normal measure of 2 cents to its essentially current worth in a sort of significant manner. This unexpected development by and large implies that the coin can basically turn into a strong resource now, assuming that it keeps on developing, which generally is very critical. Chiliz value forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Chiliz costs expected in 2023, the kind of least expensive Chiliz will in a real sense be $7 cents in a significant manner. The in every practical sense, most extreme level that the CHC cost can especially reach basically is $11 cents, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $14 cents, or so they really thought. Possible return for money invested. 13.3% CHZ value gauge for June 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Chiliz toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists sort of expect the exceptionally normal CHZ pace of $9 cents in June 2023. Its genuinely least and greatest costs can be anticipated at $7 cents and at $10 cents individually, which is genuinely critical. Expected return for capital invested. 5.1% July 2023. Chiliz value figure cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the CHC cost in July 2023. The base exchanging cost could basically be $8 cents, while the kind of most extreme could reach $12 cents during this month in an unpretentious manner. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Chiliz may be around $10 cents. Expected return for capital invested. 27.6% CHZ value gauge for August 2023. Crypto experts certainly have really taken a look at the value variances of Chiliz in 2023 and in earlier years. So the normal CHC rate they foresee may be around $12 cents in August 2023. It can drop to $12 cents as a base. The extremely greatest worth may be $12 cents in a fundamentally significant manner. Likely return for money invested. 27.6% September 2023. Chiliz value figure around mid-year 2023. The CHC cost will really be exchanged at $12 cents overall. September 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Chiliz worth to $12 cents. It generally is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $12 cents in September 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Likely return for money invested. 28.6% CHZ value conjecture for October 2023. Crypto specialists really have broke down Chiliz costs in 2023, so they are somewhat prepared to, in every practical sense, give their assessed exchanging commonly normal for October 2023, $10 cents. The most minimal and top CHC rates could especially be $7 cents and $12 cents in an especially significant manner. Likely return for money invested, 28.6% November 2023. Chiliz Value Gauge Crypto examiners expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the CHZ cost will generally be around $10 in a significant manner. In November 2023, the Chiliz cost might drop to a sort of least of $0.08, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The normal pinnacle worth could explicitly be $0.13 in November 2023, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Possible return on initial capital investment, 34.7% CHZ value conjecture for December 2023. Having dissected Chiliz costs, digital money specialists in every practical sense expect that the CHZ rate could arrive at a very limit of $0.14 in December 2023. It may, in any case, drop to $0.08 amazingly. For December 2023, the determined normal of Chiliz in a real sense is almost $0.11. Expected return for capital invested, 44.9% January 2024. Chiliz value figure around mid-2023. The Chiliz cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $0.15. Crypto examiners expect that in January 2024, the CHZ cost could basically vacillate somewhere in the range of $0.13 and $0.16. Possible return for capital invested, 65.3% Chiliz value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Chiliz in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the fundamentally least cost of Chiliz will be around $0.18, or so they thought. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.19 in 2024 in a for the most part significant manner. Chiliz value expectation 2025 in light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Chiliz. In 2025, CHZ in a real sense is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $0.27 and $0.32 separately, which is very critical especially. The typical expected exchanging cost is $0.28 in an unpretentious manner. Chiliz value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital currency have broke down the costs of Chiliz and their changes during the earlier years, which is genuinely huge. It most certainly is expected that in 2026, the base CHZ cost could drop to $0.38, while its extremely greatest can especially reach $0.46. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $0.39 amazingly. Fan tokens are an authority crypto sort of token that contains the marking of partner sports groups. With the assistance of tokens, fans in a real sense get the option to cast a ballot and the valuable chance to for the most part take part in navigation in regards to their genuinely most loved groups. You can explicitly purchase fan tokens involving Chiliz tokens in an unpretentious manner. Fans get extra pay through tokenization, which is genuinely critical. Likewise, all groups that associate